supposed to relocate from this building by 3 p.m.
This place is nice.
And I chose this room. Hi guys, good morning and happy Sunday. I'm gonna be vlogging my realistic Sunday routine or my realistic Sunday reset, and there's a lot that I am doing today. So for my reset today, I'm gonna be sitting, doing my laundry, changing my bed, and cooking and editing. I've already planned out everything I'm gonna do today, so let's get up and start getting stuff done. We were told that we were gonna have a winter storm again. Literally, this is the second time. But anyways, I'm gonna leave my room and go brush my teeth and also shower. I took my bedsheet off right now as you saw because I'm doing my laundry this early one. I don't want to do it in the afternoon when everybody else is doing their laundry and there is not much I guess space left. Any of these in a there's a word that I wanted to use but I cannot pronounce it. I'm not doing any of this in the right order. I'm just doing stuff as it goes. Like right now I'm cooking my breakfast, but I'm gonna use the time that it's gonna take my breakfast to get done to clean my decks. This is the current state. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad. It's just filled with stuff, so I'm gonna clean it up real quick. By the time that it's probably done, my food will be done and I'll eat. little situation here, and we're gonna do a little update because it's literally a few minutes and stuff are already crazy. First, I put my clothes in the dryer and they're currently going on their first round of drying, and I usually do 2 rounds of drying because for some reason our dryer, it doesn't fully dry your clothes for the first round and you have to dry it again. 1 second. Like that. I have to listen. Okay, so that is what is going on right now. Oh my god. After this, we just go and sit in the living room so that whenever the audio comes up, we can just hear it from there. But anyways, it's currently 11:35, right? I did have plans today of everything I was gonna do. I was gonna study, cook, yada yada yada, but it looks like those things are not gonna be happening. But I'm still gonna finish this video through. It might not be the typical or my typical Sunday routine, but I'm just gonna continue filming this video. Anyways, enough talking, I'm gonna share what is happening. When I was eating earlier, my roommate came and told me that have I seen the email, and I said no, I haven't seen anything. Then she said that we're supposed to relocate from this building by 3 p.m. at most 3 p.m. Everybody needs to leave at most 3 p.m. because of power issues, and they're gonna turn off the power for the whole building from today all the way till Saturday. That's literally a whole week. And they sent out a relocation form, which is basically people that are not able to leave, like people that don't have any relatives close by. They will see if they can get these people some building to go stay at. I did fill out that form, so we are currently, I guess, waiting to see how that one goes. I called my parents to let them know of my current situation. That's what is currently happening. Anyways, that is that for the, I guess, my little update. You guys see how crazy things can change in a few minutes. I'm going to put my new bed sheets on my bed. I have 10 minutes on my drying stuff. Anyways, I'm currently sitting in our living space. It's still snowing, but it's not sticking. It's literally like rain. But anyways, I'm gonna do some editing right now. I'll update you guys as things goes, okay? My clothes away and it's currently 1:33. I'm keeping my eye on my email and the group chat, and I've not heard anything about the relocation. You know what, we will get a place to stay and the place will be so nice, so beautiful, and I love it so much. Hi guys, it's currently 4:55. Still no update on where they're gonna relocate us to. Look at these oranges. Oh. So We just got the instruction for the relocation. Oh my gosh. Okay, my room is not bright with the lighting, but bear with me here. So we just got the news that we're given a place to move. For the meantime, I'm gonna now pack my things and leave. They're saying that their place that they're giving to us kind of looks like this. There is no bedsheet, blanket, pillows, nothing. So you have to bring your own kind of stuff. Okay, this is my bag, y'all. I feel like I'm doing too much, but it's a whole week filled with stuff. Anyways, let's go. It looks like I'm the only person here. I'm turning off the light.
This place is nice. Oh wow.
The light is not bright enough, but let's take a good look around, okay, guys? This place is so nice. We got bathroom, and I chose this room. Okay, not bad actually. The fan is really loud, but I brought the food that I cooked at home. It's just rice. Such a sad meal. It's not just plain rice, it's just rice with some, I have some corn inside, some beans, some carrots. I'm gonna set up my bed, unpack my bag, and do some studying. So that is that for the night.